In this video, I'll show you how to send money from USA to Uganda using mobile money with Remitly. Remitly is a simple, secure, and generally affordable way to send money internationally. Plus, if you're new, sign up with the link below to get your first transfer without a fee. Now, let's get started. First, open Remitly app or go to their website at remitly.com. And if you don't have an account yet, again, use the link below to sign up for a free and get your first transaction fee free. If you already have an account, just log in using your credentials. Now, once logged in, select Uganda as your destination country on this section and hit send money. On this page, enter the amount that you'd like to send first in USDs. For example, I'm going to send 50 USD, and then you'll be able to see the converted amount on the corresponding currency. So I have here 184,684 Ugandan shilling. Now on this part, you'll need to select your delivery method. So you have three options: mobile money, bank deposit, and as well as cash pickup. So for this one, we are going with mobile money. So for the payment method, you'll have all of these options. You can go for debit card, credit card, and as well as bank account. I'm going to select debit card for mine, and then on this part, you'll be able to see all of the fees that you'll pay. So hit continue. So Remitly offers mobile money options for Uganda, including MTN Mobile and as well as Airtel Money, which are widely used for convenient access to funds. So once you have selected mobile money, you'll have this option. So we're going with Airtel Money for this video. Now you just need to fill in the recipient's information, including their name and contact number. After entering their mobile number, hit continue, and on the next page, you'll need to select your payment method. So Remitly lets you pay with a bank transfer, debit card, or credit card, and you'll see the fees and exchange rate up front, so there are no surprises. And before finalizing, review all the details to make sure everything's correct. Remitly then will display an estimated delivery time based on the chosen method, and when everything looks good, hit confirm. Then you'll get a tracking number which you can share with your recipient to monitor the transfer. And that is all. Sending money to Uganda on mobile money with Remitly is fast, secure, and affordable. Remember to use the link below to sign up for a fee-free first transfer. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.